Hi, I'm a Microsoft MVP from Japan. This is a regular hexagon. Actually, creating a regular hexagon in PowerPoint is not easy. Let's insert a hexagon from PowerPoint shapes. At first glance, they look the same. But when you overlay them, you can see it's not exact. I'll show you one way to create a regular hexagon in PowerPoint. Select a circle in SmartArt. Select the one at the top left. This looks like a pentagon. Add one more circle. Select all the arrows only. Change the arrows to rectangles. Hold the Shift key and drag any corner of the rectangle to resize it. The center is now a regular hexagon. Select the SmartArt and ungroup it once. Rotate it 90 degrees to the right. Bring only the top rectangle to the front. SmartArt is grouped twice, so ungroup it one more time. All the shapes are now separate. Select them all. In Merge Shapes, select Fragment. You can extract only the hexagon in the center. The remaining shapes are not needed, so delete them. This is how you can create a regular hexagon. A plain gray hexagon isn't very exciting, so let's make it stylish. I've prepared some traditional Japanese patterns. Fill the regular hexagon with a Japanese pattern. I've cut the pattern for now, not deleted it. In Fill, choose Picture or Texture Fill, then select Clipboard. Now the hexagon is filled with the pattern we cut. In other words, what you cut is temporarily saved to the clipboard. The process is the same for the remaining two. Now, let's take a look at the slideshow. This uses the morph transition. I tried expressing a traditional Japanese pattern like this. Thanks for watching.